Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a Brooklyn-bound 5 express train.
As you exit, please be careful of the gap between the platform and the train.
This is Times Square, 42nd Street.
Transfer is available to the 2, 3, 7, A, C, E, N, Q, R, and W trains. Transfer is available to the shuttle to Grand Central. Connection is available to the Port Authority bus terminal.
Shut up!
Hello. It's against the rules and very dangerous to ride or walk between train cars unless it's an emergency or if you're directed to by a police officer or MTA crew member. Have a safe day and thank you for riding with us.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for riding with MTA New York City Transit.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your conductor speaking. We have been held momentarily by the train's dispatcher.
The next stop is Brooklyn Bridge, City Hall, 59th Street.
Delancey Street, Essex Street. This is West 4th Street.
Fulton Street, 149th Street, Grand Concourse, 14th Street, Union Square. This is Grand Central, 42nd Street. Transfer is available to the 6, 7, and shuttle to Times Square. Connection is available to Metro North.
This is 42nd Street, Bryant Park. Transfer is available to the 7, F, and M trains.
This is a Rockaway Park bound A train. The next stop is Howard Beach, JFK Airport.
Transfer is available to the 6, N, and R trains. A free transfer is also available to the F train by walking to the Lexington Avenue 63rd Street station and using your Metro card.
There is a Manhattan-bound Local 4 train to Woodlawn, 5 minutes away.
This is a Queens-bound C local train. The next stop is Franklin Avenue.
This is
Atlantic Avenue, Barclays Center.
This is 161st Street, Yankee Stadium.
This is Met's Willets Point.
Transfer is available to the Q48 bus to LaGuardia Airport.
Hello. The New York City Police Department would like to remind you that backpacks and other large containers are subject to random search by the police and some writing.